welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a Repel box spray. My wife got this at Amazon for me, so let's go ahead and open this up. It is great for using when you go camping or any outdoor usage. Okay. Alright, so she got two bottles for us. They are plant-based, lemon eucalyptus insect repellent, and be sure to get the one that is DEET-free. So there's no like a special chemical that's harmful for you or to you when you smell them or breathe in there. Okay. And there are 4 floor ounce, and here are the ingredients. So it says repels a mosquito for up to 8 hours. So yeah, in case you are allergic to those mosquito bite, it is better to spray this before you go outdoor, walking, jogging, exercising, hiking, biking, boating, or whatever that you do out there, you know. And then there are the barcodes right there. So it is good because this is factory sealed. So you don't want to open it if you're not going to use it, and it's going to get dissolved. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.